Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can start or create a new diagram on Google Drawings. So let us get started. So head over to Google Drawings, start a new drawing by clicking the file in the top left, hover your mouse over new and click drawing. That is going to open that blank new diagram here. So what you want to do, guys, there are two ways how you can do this. You can either build a diagram, for instance, by inserting objects and items to the diagram, like for example shapes such as circles, rectangles, text boxes, and connect these like in a diagram or mind map. Or you can insert one from the template library here in Google Drawings and customize and edit these later. So let's go with the second option first. That would be inserting a diagram from the Google Drawings library. To do that, click into Insert and then choose, for example, table, chart, or diagram. I will go with diagram here, and then you can choose between grid, timeline, and so on and so forth. You can also expand that menu by clicking into View All. I'm going to insert a grid diagram, and then you will see a list of applicable templates here to the right. So you may, for example, customize these here and filter out results. I will go with this one here for demonstration purposes. Left click into it, and that is going to add that default diagram. Let me move it here to the slightly to the top. And then you may click into the default text boxes, double click to change the text. You can also resize these text boxes, insert shapes, like for example these check mark or X icons here. You can insert numbered lists here from the top or bulleted lists. You can change the color. You can, for instance, click into a row like this and separate it from the rest of the diagram. You can copy and paste a row like this and create a fourth in this one here. And now as you can see, that diagram features 4 of these rows, and you can customize these and enter each cell with value and item. And what you want to do, or what you want to do after that, guys, is use option number 1. That would be creating a diagram without these templates. To do that, let me open a new drawing here. And then what you want to do is click into Insert again, but this time navigate to Shape or Text Box, depending on what type of objects you would like to insert. Hover your mouse over shape and let me go, for example, with a rounded rectangle, draw it, and let me insert also another shape like a triangle. You can, for instance, change its size, as you can see, by moving your mouse. Release your left mouse, and then it's time to connect these. For instance, let's say you have a simple diagram like this with 2 objects and you would like to connect these. Click into Insert, navigate to Line, and you can draw a line, for instance, manually by hand, or you can use a curved connector or a line like this. I will go with a curved connector and then click into, sorry, let me just undo this. Click into this dot here and then connect it with one of these violet or lilac dots here of the second shape, and it is going to connect your shapes. Now, if you'd like to fill these shapes with text, like in a mind map, click into Insert, select Text Box, insert a text box into a shape, and then let me add enter the text here, shape A, and then we got another text box here. Let me copy paste it, resize it, so that it fits into that triangle here. Rename the text box, and that's the basic features, guys, how you create diagrams on Google Drawings like this. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.